Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It is March 10th, 2015, and doing my almost daily recap at this point. And let's take a quick look at gold. Gold really didn't offer us anything conservative today. We started trading a little late, about 8:30, but you can see gold was very, very choppy throughout the morning, modified 15 yellow. Now it took a move down, and this is the move that really hurt us yesterday. The move down, the retracement. Now it's quite a ways off the modified 15, no bias. See what happened? Straight up. Now this was the same trade, move down, retracement. Now this one worked, but it's an inconsistent signal, so it's best not to trade it. You would have had a loser here, a winner here. Now then, gold just fell through a yellow 15, which we don't trade, and I believe the room was closed anyway. I think we finished. Yeah, we finished well before 11 o'clock. This is right at 10:51. So not much that conservative to trade on gold. Then on crude, unusually, crude didn't offer us anything either. Again, here's the signal. And the move down, which I didn't take. Now, I just want to see those signals that I took yesterday on the Russell that failed. Yep, the 50 was down. The 15 was down. Same trade. Break, retracement, no continuation. You know, when they work sometimes and they don't work other times, that's a signal you got to stay away from. This is way, way off the 15. So that's the identical signal. To these here. Now the thing was, this did have bias, and I think that adds a lot to the trade, and that's the thing that I need to watch. And that probably made that trade a lot more advantageous with bias. This trade none of these had bias, and this gold trade did not have bias. Well, so. And oh, I see. And it came right at the open of the crude market. That was one of the things that was difficult in taking the trade. The NYMEX opened at 9 o'clock, and this was a minute 30 seconds afterwards. So that was tough. And then as we went across, look at this incredible chop, which we just avoided completely. This was a push-up on a yellow 15. Just an enormous amount of bad signals here. Just a flat, untradable crude chart. Very, very difficult chart. We laid off of it, didn't take any of the trades. Now, great trading on natural gas in the middle of the night, but actually yesterday in the later evening, but this morning there was nothing. There was this one continuation trade here that didn't come with order flow, momentum, or bias. right here. Otherwise, nothing else to trade. Now, this was a 15. This is where the 15 crosses the 50. This is a falling 50. I saw many of these signals fail. I don't particularly care for them. And up it went. Nothing really much to trade on natural gas today. And then on the Russell, we had this really nice trade. We had the break, the retracement, order flow, momentum, and background bias. Took it right down for 13 ticks. And then the Russell went into enormous chop. Now, I was just going over this trade in the room, in our trading room, and somebody took this trade. It was a very, very nice trade to take, actually. I did not take it because it was a little tight to this pivot. It was a break of the 15 with background bias, order flow, and momentum. And I was a little bit concerned about this pivot, overly so. This is a great signal. And down she went. Very, very nice trade. Actually, I was seriously considering taking it here as a bounce off the 50, because what you had was a move down, retracement, and then a continuation short. Almost pulled the trigger on it, but we had the 13 here on a nice move. And this is an untradeable move to the upside on the Russell that happened well after the room closed. So we got 13 on the Russell. And then we had 2 trades off the ES. Both for 4 ticks. Now, after this big move up, this was sort of a modified bounce off the 50. It came well off the 50, but once the market reversed, I went short, and it gave us a point. Now, I should have shorted it again here. That would have given us a really nice move. But I was a little hesitant, but I should have. And now this great trade came right at the time we were on the Russell. So just couldn't take it. It came a minute later. It was 3 points. And then we got this break of the 15, retracement, and the continuation short for another point. So that was it. So I think that what we have to be very cognizant of is how strong order flow momentum combined with biases. That is a really, really powerful period in the market. Where trades are very, very likely to go. And that's this continuation trade, unfortunately, is untradeable. But right here, background bias, order flow, and momentum. And there was another trade here on the Russell. Right here. Background bias, order flow, and momentum. I mean, even if you took it short, well, if you took it short right here, now you're right off the 15. I would have given you 14 ticks. Very, very nice trade. So we had a very, very good day. I mean, our learning is ongoing. I mean, I've been doing this for almost 20 years, and I'm still learning. We had 6 trades. Whoops, that's yesterday, which I already projected that yesterday. What did I do with today's? I lost it. Hold on a minute. So I already did yesterday's video. I can't find where I typed it. Hold on a second. Yesterday we had 3 winners and 3 losers, and that net equity should already be posted. Maybe I put it on crude. Nope. Let me find out where I put it. Here we go. No. I can't find it. Let me find what chart I typed it on. Sorry. I could have sworn I put it on natural gas. All right, let me just check the Russell chart. If not, we'll just go over the trades. Although I know I typed it on. I'm really surprised here. I can't find our daily net equity. Which I meticulously typed on these charts. That's from Friday. Here's Monday. Well, it looks like it vanished. I don't know where it went. But we had 3 trades and 3 winners. The Russell was plus 13. We took 1 contract off at 6, 1 contract off at 11, and 1 contract off at 4. We had 2 trades on the ES that were 4 ticks that went a point. We took 3 off at 4 and 1 off at 0 on both trades. Our net equity was $510, and our net ticks was 21. The auto trader had no trade so far, which I'm not surprised. It was a very, very choppy market. So we had a great day today. We erased yesterday's small drawdown. We're up for the week. And from here, it's just onward and upward. So we look forward to seeing everyone in the trading room. Just go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity for the auto trader, a link to the sign-up page for a free trial, and also a link to a contact us page. Also, you can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com or give us a call at 1-855-765-6681. We have a great trading room. We have a lot of traders. They were been pretty quiet this week, but chat's open. You can talk to everybody in the room, and it's a really nice trading environment. So I look forward to seeing everyone in the room, and hope everybody has a put the charts up has a really, really wonderful day. See everybody tomorrow. Take care.